What if I say that you guys are probably using only 50% of Odoo's power? It is the truth. Because Odoo has a lot of hidden features and most of the business owners and companies doesn't know this. So today in this video, I'm going to introduce you guys to most powerful 5 hidden features of Odoo, which is going to save your business. So let's get started. The very first feature is automated actions. So I have been talking about the automations recently a lot because automations really is going to save a lot of your time. Okay. So in Odoo, we have automations for everything. Okay. So for example, once you confirm a quotation, an email will be sent automatically to the customer. That's an automation. Similarly, you have the things in the purchase module. Then once you create a lead it has been assigned to a salesperson automatically. So similar automations are available in Odoo. So if you are a business person, then this is going to help you guys a lot, because I have found a lot of people still doing this manual work rather than doing automation. So why should we do hard work when we know how to do the smart work? The second feature is scheduled activities. So you guys know that in Odoo, we have these activities. So only creating activity or pre-created activities might be what you guys have seen. But do you know that we can actually schedule these activities? So in terms of a company which is managing the sales, not only sales, in every case you can use these activities. So suppose let's take an example as a sales company or a sales department of a company where you have to do the follow-ups. Like, we are all humans, we might forget everything. Not everything, but still something we'll miss out, right? So very best thing is to schedule these things. So if you have to do a call after a week, you can schedule that activity right now. Okay, so you can schedule the calls, the emails, and Odoo will be giving you reminders on all these things. So it's better to schedule the activities that you have to do in future so that you don't miss out anything. So that's the most attractive feature, another hidden feature that you have inside Odoo. Feature number 3, that is the hidden feature number 3, is keyboard shortcuts. So still we are doing a lot of things with the mouse. At times, if you have a lot of modules in your UI, you will be searching for certain modules specifically. So do you guys know that Odoo is providing a lot of keyboard shortcuts? I have done a separate video on these keyboard shortcuts, so you can refer to it. I'll put the link in the description. Okay, so if you want to, a very common shortcut that you have is just typing the name. Okay, just by typing the name of the module, it appears right in front of you. Other than that, if you want to directly open a quotation, or directly if you want to, if you want to go to the invoices or whatever it is possible right now in Odoo. Okay, so this shortcuts can help you to do everything. And then you can, if you simply search for invoices, that particular invoice or that particular data which is used in every module can be seen over there, not only a specific module. So creating a quotation is also possible right now by using the keyboard shortcut. So please do refer to the shortcut video that I have done. Feature number 4, filters and favorites. So you might have seen this. If you are an Odoo user, you might have seen this filters, the favorites and all. But the thing is, we don't give much importance to that particular search bar, right? We have that search bars. There might be certain default filters. There might be this star and all. But the fact is that we'll be thinking like, what is the use of all these things? What is the need of using all these things? But no, such things which looks very simpler might have huge impact in your business, or can make huge impacts on your business. Okay, so in case if you are dealing with the quotations and all, and if you want to see only specific quotations or invoices that have been paid or created, confirmed, posted once, whatever it is, everything is possible inside the filters and favorites. You can actually search anything that comes into your mind, any random word, and then you can mark it as favorite so that you can use that later as a filter. Okay, not only filter, you have this group by option as well. So if you take any particular screen, in almost every list view, Kanban view and all, you have this particular search bar. Okay, so please make use of it so that you will get filtered data. You can decide what you have to see. So that's another feature that you can find inside Odoo. Last but not the least, we have the email templates. So templates are a very familiar word that you get in Odoo, because even for quotation, purchase and all, we have templates right now. So you all know what templates are. It's a ready-made form of something. Okay, if it's a quotation template, means it's a ready-made form of a quotation. If it's a purchase template, then it's a ready-made form of a purchase order. Similarly, you can use these templates everywhere. Like in case where you are dealing with the HR modules, if you want to send an offer letter, okay, for that you have templates. Like you can set email templates and all such things pre-configured inside your Odoo database, so that once there's a situation where you have to use such a template, then you can easily fetch it from there. There are certain areas where they specify the template, like if you have a template, then you can choose it, otherwise you can create a fresh one. So I think it's pretty much easier to create template and use it, so that you don't have to do or make that particular thing. If it's a quotation or whatever it is, you don't have to create it again and again. There is no need of doing such things. You can directly fetch the data from the quotation which is pre-created, so that you can use it wherever in a situation which is similar to the template that you have pre-created. So right now we talked about a lot of features like the automated actions, the templates, then what? The filters and favorites. Likewise, we have talked about a little features. So these are some hidden features. Like there might be some people who are still, judging me like, what is this? These are all small points. But no, there are people who doesn't know any of these. So please make use of these tiny things, and it's going to change your life and going to change your business a lot. So that's it, guys. Those are the 5 hidden features I wanted to share with you guys. So that's it. I hope that was clear for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.